Okay, so before we get into this tutorial, we're gonna have to rewind the clips, roll it back to my first attempt. So my initial idea for this video tutorial was to show you guys how to get these really cute drip type nails that I've been seeing on Pinterest. Of course, they didn't really turn out how I wanted them to, and I really thought that this was going to be a quick, easy tutorial, but that wasn't the case. I don't exactly know what it was that I didn't like about them. I think it had to do with kind of the placement of the drips. I did use a photo for reference, but they didn't really turn out like the photo. I decided that I'd roll with it. They were relatively easy to do, so I thought if I did all of them, then maybe they would look better. Looking back at this video, they weren't really all that bad. I think it was probably, I was on my period, and I think that because the nails didn't turn out how I wanted them to, like in the photo I was using for reference, it kind of just made me irritated, and so I ended up scratching them off. And so I decided to put on a face mask, because that's what you do when you want to feel relaxed, right? Hey guys, so today's a new day and we are going to be reattempting to do my nails. But this time, my sister's actually going to be doing them for me. She offered to, which was really sweet of her, because I probably wouldn't be making this video if she didn't offer to. So the plan is, she's going to surprise me and do a design of her own on one hand, and then hopefully I like them, and I'm sure I will, but for the other hand, while we're doing the other hand, it'll be like a little tutorial on how to get the nails. I don't know what the nails are gonna be like, but yeah, so let's hope it goes better than yesterday. So for these nails, I wanted more of a Valentine Day look, so I picked colors accordingly. And of course, I needed to put on a nice base coat. So my sister decided to put a base color for the nails to then put the design on only some of the nails. She picked two different colors for the base colors. So taking a bobby pin, she spread it apart so that there was only one end of the bobby pin, and you don't need a bobby pin, you can also just use anything with a small round tip. And then she dipped that in the polish and started creating spots. I believe she used a reference photo just to get a rough idea of the placement of the spots as well as their shape. And she used the same technique for the rest of the nails that she wanted the design on. Then she repeated the same thing on the other hand, and finishing it off with a nice top coat. I apologize for looking so crusty right now, but it's like 8 o'clock now and we finished the nails. They are so cute, and I think I'm probably gonna have to put on like a couple more top coats, but they look so nice and cute. I'm obsessed with cow print, which is probably pretty obvious, but yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog tutorial thing. I wasn't planning on being like this, but life happens, right? So yeah, if you enjoyed, I hope you like and subscribe. I'm gonna go sleep, wash off this, and yeah, bye. Let me in on your cruel game.